interesting. What's that on his back? Is that the same guy I saw here just the other day? He's definitely doing something a little bit different here. Piece of plywood. Looks like it's 1/4 inch, so what, that probably weighs 25, maybe 30 pounds, something like that. And I think I've seen this guy here somewhere before. What is that? What is that? I wonder if he's doing something with plumbing, because that's PVC right there. That's interesting. Whatever he's doing, he's looks like he's got a good plan at least. So that PVC, I wonder if he's gonna build something. Oh, it looks like he's attaching that. I'm very interested to see what he's actually doing. Very interesting. Wonder if he's got in trouble with the folks at Home Depot over there. Well, maybe you're not allowed to build stuff in the parking lot. Safe. Okay, what's he doing? You know, he's got to put that on top of there. That is unbelievable. That is one resourceful dude. That is one resourceful dude. What is he doing? Okay, so he's putting that on there. So let's see. He's going to get some bungees. How's he going to get that thing around there so it doesn't fly off, though? Oh, man. PVC trailer, man. I've never seen anything like that. I checked with him if he needed a ride. He said no thanks. In fact, that woman who was here earlier even asked if she could help him, and that she was getting off in a little bit, and if she could help him with it. Man, the people that work here are unbelievably nice. Look at that. Now what? Is he gonna? No. He's gonna hook it to the back of his bike. Oh my gosh. This could be like 25 feet long. Well, no way will the PVC hold that. Looks like he's got a plan here. So he's got a bungee. He's got it connected to a cotter pin. Okay, there's another cotter pin on top. He's gonna run that through. Okay, that's really interesting. So it's got like a shock absorber if he's doing it the way I think he's going to do it. There's no way the bike's going to be able to pull that. That's a full-size sheet of plywood. He's got that little trailer on it, but he's got his backpack on it. Okay. Yeah, he must be really good on a bike. Look at that dude go. Here he goes again. Oh my gosh.